I'm Prisha and I wanted to share my
Hi,
experience from my
myself
6-month
Prisha.
internship at
I
Unified
have
Mentor.
completed
This
my
experience not just
internship
helped me
with
shape my
Unified Mentor
confidence
as a
but
full
also my
stack web
skills as a
development
developer.
intern. It was a
During this
great
internship,
learning
I had
experience.
access
I
to
got to work on the
pre-recorded
projects
online
like
video lectures,
weather app,
step-by-step
which uses API
documentation, as
integration, or
well as
student teacher
project
booking
guidelines that
appointments,
made it
which also uses
incredibly easy
Firebase
to
and
learn things
Cloud
at my
Store.
own pace.
I had
I worked on
such a
multiple
great
hands-on
time
projects,
working on this
including an
project, which
interactive resume,
makes my
an
knowledge
interactive memory
or
game,
my theoretical
a
knowledge worked into the practical ones.
music player,
It
to name a
improved
few
my
among many.
skills in
This
HTML,
internship
CSS,
has made me
JavaScript, and
comfortable with
also I
technologies such
happened
as
to learn
front-end
new skills
development,
like
full-stack
React, Node,
workflows, JavaScript
and
logics,
Firebase as
as
well.
well as
I
deployments.
had such a
But
great time.
above all,
Overall,
it
the
has helped me develop
mentors are
clarity,
in Unified
clarity
Mentor
in
are so
coding, clarity
supportive.
in
Any
debugging,
doubts can be
as well
solved
as
if I
building
message them
logics.
or call them in
Truly
any time,
grateful to
which
Unified
was a
Mentor
great thing which
because
makes
this
every
experience
task
felt
easier.
more supportive,
Thank you,
guided,
Unified
and
Mentor, for
professional.
giving me this
Thank you for
opportunity,
listening,
and I
and
will
once
recommend
again,
to all the
thanks to Unified
students to
Mentor
gain the
for
work
making this experience
experience and the real
incredibly
life
unique.
experience through this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm